has a long history as a healthcare innovator, dating back to the beginning of HCA, when we conceptualized the idea of creating centralized owned hospital systems and sort of franchising them out around the country. What you see in Nashville today is a growth of that original entrepreneurial mindset.
In Nashville, there are some of the most amazing healthcare provider groups in the nation. There are clinicians that are doing amazing things, and to be able to be plugged in to this Nashville scene allows us to be able to have a better product for better clinician and better patient experiences.
Starting a healthcare company in Nashville has been great for me in the executive recruiting space, just because there are so many young companies that are starting here and so much investment that's going into the Nashville market. So it's a great place to be in business.
Nashville's become a second home to us. The scene is great. A lot of interesting opportunities that we're exploring while down here, and I think it's just very conducive for especially the startup healthcare space.
Starting a healthcare company in Nashville is both a great opportunity as well as a challenge. There's so many resources to access, so many people who are willing to help. That's one of the really unique things about Nashville. People are willing to help others as they face the challenge of getting a new company off the ground. And the EC has been a convener and a facilitator of that, a great resource for making that happen. But it's never easy, and that's why you need people around you who are supporting that.
We consider the EC to be a valuable partner. They provided good access to key contacts here in the Nashville community, and that's been very helpful.
It's been really cool to see how the ecosystem within Nashville has evolved and matured in the last 7 years, and the EC has been a major contributor to that, and a connector and an integrator. And certainly it's helped us find new partners and new customers and learn from colleagues and some mentors and advisors.
I think healthcare entrepreneurship is something that everyone should and can get involved with in some way, shape, or form. It's something that I've become really passionate about because I get to see really innovative ideas in a lot of different spaces.
Nashville ecosystem is a big thing. We learn from each other. I think they're doing a good job in helping the startups impact the lives of patients across the globe.
Project Healthcare does a few things. They give a curriculum for new founders so you can learn about sales and marketing, finance, things like that. But more important, they have a mentoring process. And the mentoring process is really based on what domain you're in or what vertical you're in. They provide access to mentors that have access to other folks in the industry. So it's just critical to get off the ground.
As a result of what's happening in Project Healthcare, they've launched successful companies that have been very successful in transforming the industry. A lot of the ideas in these companies are working with the health systems, the health plans, the communities to really drive change in their markets.
This is the second year of the ViVE conference, and of course they've brought it to Nashville because we are a major player in healthcare. We're excited to co-host with ViVE this year in our city. It's bringing together, as you can see behind me, thousands of healthcare leaders, startups, entrepreneurs, leaders across the industry, not only showcasing our city, but bringing this incredible energy here to get business done, and we're excited to be part of it.
I absolutely love the energy of the ViVE conference. It's been really great to meet so many amazing people, but I love seeing the precision medicine come alive really in this healthcare space.
It's been amazing. There's so much great excitement and energy here and so many things going on. The ViVE conference has done a great job of promoting and building the excitement, and so many opportunities here, so many people to meet and things to see and do.
Oh, ViVE is awesome. This is the must-have. I never been to anything like this before. The energy is great. The opportunity to interact with so many companies, right? I wouldn't have gotten this kind of opportunity anywhere else. So this is a must-have for any startup trying to get to the next stage.
There are a few ways that we like to focus in on this very large industry. We look at what the Nashville healthcare ecosystem needs. It's getting the healthcare leaders that are experiencing real problems, having them tell us what solutions they're looking for, and select a cohort that's going to respond to this year's largest problems. And so whatever industry vertical we're working in slightly shifts year to year just based off of what the biggest needs are.
From an outsider in, being a new entrant into the healthcare dynamic here in Nashville, I can't believe the amount of support that everyone has for each other. there's a level of like humility and teamwork and things that it really takes, I think, to make this a special place. And I think that's why Nashville's a place to launch a healthcare company.
You don't get into entrepreneurship, and you don't get into healthcare entrepreneurship unless you really care. And so every day when I wake up, I know I'm going into work and I'm hopping on a call or sending an email to someone that cares so much about helping people. They're willing to make those personal sacrifices so that they can make change, so that they can improve this broken healthcare system. I mean, it's absolutely incredibly energizing.